In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Steam CAPTCHA not working error so you can get back to your games without any more frustration. This is a common issue that often pops up when you are trying to create a new account, log in from a new device, or even just update your profile settings. It can be incredibly annoying when you enter the characters correctly or click all the right squares, and Steam keeps telling you that you failed the verification. This error usually stems from network conflicts, browser issues, or temporary session glitches. If this video helps you get back into your account, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more tech troubleshooting guides. Let's dive right into the solutions. The first and simplest thing you should do is completely restart the Steam client and try the process again. Sometimes the application just needs a fresh session to properly load the CAPTCHA modules. If you are using the web version of Steam in your browser, your first move should be to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can become corrupted or outdated, causing security features like CAPTCHAs to malfunction or fail to load entirely. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy section, and clear out that data before trying again. Another major culprit for this issue is using a VPN or a proxy server. Steam's security systems are very sensitive to IP masking services, and if they detect you are using a VPN, they might intentionally block or break the CAPTCHA to prevent automated bot activity. Make sure to disable any VPN or proxy you have running and try reloading the page with your standard home internet connection. If you are still having trouble, the issue might be specific to the software environment you are currently in. To rule this out, try using a completely different browser, such as moving from Chrome to Firefox or Edge. Alternatively, you can try performing the action on a different device altogether, like your mobile phone using data instead of Wi-Fi. It is also important to check your internet connection stability. A momentary drop in your signal can prevent the CAPTCHA from validating with the server. Ensure your connection is solid and reload the page one more time. By following these steps, you should be able to bypass that stubborn verification block. If this video helped you out today, remember to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.